Go.
Hi, my name is Leanne, and I'm doing the dog walk, the virtual dog walk, in support of Lions Foundation with my dog guide Canyon. So here we go. We're going for a nice little walk this morning, almost afternoon. Really? Can you pause it?
Go.
Forward. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Blech. fun. Okay, if you're gonna talk about it, talk about it. Okay, how did you get involved with the program?
Teacher helped me get involved.
What made you decide to get a dog?
I wanted a dog ever since I was a little girl. I got to walk with him at school when I was a kid. And I like to be with the harness and the way the dog behaves, so I got a dog.
What has been the biggest challenges you faced having a service dog?
A lot of times it's people asking to pet them. So there's a lot of talking and telling them that they can't and for me, what?
If somebody wanted to get a dog, what would be the best advice you would give them?
I would tell them to contact Lions Foundation and discuss their options with the trainers and staff there.
What are things you've learned about having a dog that the training didn't prepare you for?
Nothing. Can you leave it? I've had some type of dog all my life. So I was used to feeding them and stuff like that. The one thing I'm not used to still is trying to pick up after them, especially when they move. That doesn't make much sense. Up, up. Yes, that's what you're thinking. Sure, I got this thing. Not a Coca-Cola yet. No, not cool. We got Coca-Cola. Come on, up, up. Come on. Yes. Nose up. Come on. I know, it's been a while. You don't want to like to sniff. But you can't sniff. Come on, up, up. Come on,
What do you think is the biggest misconception people have about service dogs?
they're not pets, they're companions. When they're off harness and leash, then we can play with them like they're pets. Seems like his foot's bugging him.
Huh?
Come on. I know, we gotta get your nails done, big guy. Stop up here. Come on. Watch your footing.
Huh?
dog for longer. Watch your footing.
Yeah, all right.
Funny, the blind one's telling the sighted one to watch his feet.
I'm not gonna follow my butt.